I agreed to be part of this conversation because I believe it's important to talk to you, to talk to the people of India and chart a way forward. I'm not from the same generation as you are, and I don't want to see my generation that actually forms a majority of the populations on both sides of the border to be trapped by the past. So I'm willing to discuss this question and address the past, and then I hope we can focus more on how we chart a course together.
Mr. Bhutto Zardari,
for a better future. As far as the actions of Pakistan.
Your father to you, because this is what your father, and he was president at the time, said to the British newspaper The Telegraph on the 8th of July 2009. Let us be truthful to ourselves, he said, and make a candid admission of the realities. The terrorists of today were the heroes of yesteryear. And
Karan, come on. Karan, excuse me. If this is going to be a one-way streak, I will, as many of your other guests have done, please allow me. There's no contradiction whatsoever. The quote that you were trying to present to me as a gotcha moment from my father is completely in line with what I have been consistently saying. We're not running away from what the past is, but we must not be bogged down in the past and ignore the reality either. Pakistan, along with the international community and the dictator General Zia al-Haq, orchestrated the jihadification of Pakistan as a society so that we could fight their war in the context of Afghanistan. Just explaining the route कि कहाँ से आया, हम आज तक क्यों सफर कर रहे हैं, ना सिर्फ LET और LEJ के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, मगर मेला मुल्क में, TTP के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, अलकायदा के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, दाइश के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, BLA के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, ये तमाम this entire issue of terrorism that we are facing in the subcontinent today is a direct result of what happened in Afghanistan. And I'm going to explain to you, like many have said, this is the past, this is what happened in the past. Then Pakistan went through an entire process, and that process India is ignoring.